What up, though, guys? This is Superdell, and today I got a very detailed video for you. Shout out to DST and Streaming Outside the Line channel member, Miss Billy. What is up, Miss Billy? Thank you for dropping that article inside the group Facebook page. Tell Chuck I say what's up. All right, but here it is, guys. Walmart is definitely on the wrong side of this because of what happened in the past. Some of y'all know a lot of this. I'm gonna say, well, what three of the streaming devices went from Android 12 and to Android 14, causing major problems. We're not talking about the 4K Plus because that one came with Android 14, but we are talking about the stick, the full HD one. We are talking about the original, the second generation 4K streaming device. This is 2 gigs, 8 gigs of internal. Then you're talking about the top dog right here, the 4K Pro. And again, the 4K Plus came with Android 14. But there's a great article on AFTV News. Y'all know I get a lot of my information from them and vice versa. Vice versa. So, here it is. Big old article right here. Walmart refuses to replace Onn Streaming Devices brick by its forced operating system. Update. So y'all know about a month ago, month and a half, they actually pushed through Android 14 and to them devices, those 3 devices, it bricked a lot of people devices, meaning the devices just was in Google TV boot, just showing that. Some of the devices went black. Some of the devices, the remote don't work anymore. It was just an unusable device. So let's read this article. Walmart line of Onn streaming devices began receiving a forced software update from Android TV 12 to Android TV 14 last month. Shortly after numerous reports began appealing online of Onn streaming devices becoming unusable after attempting to install the update. In most cases, the issue rendered the device unbootable. All right, and it kept just showing Google TV, Google TV. It'll go off like it's getting ready to boot up, go right back to Google TV, Google, and that's pretty much it. All right. But they said making it impossible to recover with future updates. Walmart halted the update rollout and directed affected customers to contact a support center by phone or email for a resolution. I actually did a video on this and I left all of that information right there in the details of that video. But, however, even after providing requested documentation, which includes device serial number photos, purchase receipts, and videos of the issues, some customers are still being denied replacement devices. According to an email exchange shared with me by a customer, Walmart on-device support is refusing to repair or replace Onn streaming devices that are outside the 1-year warranty period. All right, so this means, say if I bought one of my streaming devices, today is what? July the 15th, all right, 2025. Let's say if I would have bought my device July 14th, 2024. Anything out that year, they are not doing it. They're not doing anything. They saying, hey, you out of luck. All right. So it's outside the 1-year warranty period. In the final email, Walmart stated, after thorough consultation with our after-sales service team, we regret to inform you that an exchange isn't feasible under current warranty guidelines. This response came after the customer submitted all requested materials, including images, videos, answers to numerous questions, and a photo of the original purchase receipt, which was dated slightly over 2 years ago. And so, again, this individual did not cause their device to act up or become unusable. Instead of Walmart doing something about it, they saying, look, you got 2 years out of it. It is what it is. Knowing that they could have at least did, and I'll give my take on it. All right, I'll give my take on it. So although the warranty had expired, Walmart should be handling these cases with more flexibility. If the issue had been beyond Walmart's control, such as a random hardware failure, then denying an out of warranty replacement would be understandable. However, this appears to be a widespread problem caused by a flaw in Walmart's software update. It is important to note that the update installs automatically on a device designed to stay connected to the internet and powered on continuously with no option to opt out of software updates. Walmart has since resumed rolling out the new version of its Android TV 14 software update for Onn Streaming Devices. This new version has been available for several weeks without any signs of widespread breaking issues seen in the previous release. Unfortunately, there is no way to install the new update on devices affected by the earlier problem, leaving those users with few options and devices that may be permanently unusable, unusable through no fault of their own. All right. And so again, I think this is a bad look on Walmart because I don't care if I paid $15. I don't care if I paid $20. I don't care. If I did not cause the problem, all right, and you caused the problem with a software update that broke this device, then you should be responsible for it. I think it's wrong for them to actually do that and say, hey, listen, you had it 2 years. It is not on us. You got to figure it out or just buy a new device because they don't know what's going on in that person's life or if they can even afford a $15, a $20, a $30, or a $50 device. They just don't know. And so again, it's kind of crazy that they did not, um, follow through. At least saying, look, can I give you a voucher to at least go half off? But to tell somebody no, we can't do nothing for you, I think that is straight up wrong. And it could be a class action lawsuit behind this. Don't get it twisted. This is not over because if you get enough people to actually come together and say, this happened because of their wrongdoing, and now they want me to spend another $50 or another $20 or $15, then yeah, this could become something that could, you know, fall on the desktops of Walmart, and the government forcing or the law forcing them to actually give people back their money or something, some type of exchange. But I would like to hear from y'all. I'm on the people's side because I did not cause this. But what do you think? Do you think the people should just say, man, forget that? It only costs you 15, 20, or $50. Go get another device. Or should people straight up fight this and not take this, for granted? Should the people come together and actually do a lawsuit? I would love to hear from y'all in the comment area. Again, I'm on the people's side of this because this was something that Walmart caused. All right. So I'm not a lawyer, but I would love your opinion. Hey, this is Superdell. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. I'm stuttering now. Definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell notification and select all. That way, you get anything that I release on YouTube, you will get a notification. All right. And also, share this in your groups. Again, I would love to hear y'all comments and, go from there. Again, salute to Miss Billy. Hey, what up, Doe? For putting this into DST and or the Streaming Outside the Line Facebook group. All right, guys, I love to hear from you. This is Superdell. I'm signing out. Peace.